No, actually, I like mayonnaise, but it depends on. I like MD 2020. Went to the store today, picked up some Reese's Halloween Reese's. Man, Cocoa Puffs. Baby. Got Toxic Waste sour candy. Sour candy from Kings Island. Fucking cereal box fell over. Fucking. Fucking hurts like hell. My shoulder. I think I pulled my shoulder out of my socket or arm out of my socket. Riding a roller coaster at Kings Island a month ago. Fucking kills me when I cough. It hurts like hell when I cough or sneeze. It sucks. Fucking shoulder arm pain. Probably live with it forever. I hope not. Thought I had cancer. They checked my lungs. I had a little nodule spot on my lung. So I got to go back in 6 months to a year to get a CAT scan again. See, I had a PET scan. The PET scan said that I didn't have cancer, so. Haven't really had a drink in like almost 2 weeks. About 14 days or something. Shit. Yeah. Fucking Slim Jim. I think I'm gonna. I don't know, pepperoni. Pepperoni's basically the same thing as this shit right here. I bought pepperoni. 2 of these bad boys. Hormel, best brand. Slapping on some bread with some cheese. Fuck yeah. Let's have a Slim Jim. Guys haven't seen my slingshot. There my slingshot is. Fuckity fuck. My arm hurts. God damn it. Fuck. Shit. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck. Crying out loud, for Pete's sake. If you don't like my channel and want me sick of me complaining, then don't watch this, because by and large I'm gonna complain, gripe, because life just ain't fair. I'm used to not having a girlfriend, being lonely my whole life, never having no sex life, romance, never no romance in my life or relationships. I'm used to it. Might as well call me an incel or a loner. I'm not a loser. I mean, I'm smart. I'm not stupid. But, I mean, yeah, I went to learning disabled school. That doesn't make me stupid. Basically, I'm going back to my roots. Um, what I first started doing on YouTube, um, never met the 40 ounce crew, never met the malt liquor people. Uh, November to Remember is the closest in 2010. But I do everything myself. I go solo. I'm a straight shooter. I'm my one-man show, one-man army. That's it. What you see is what you get, just me. I don't have nobody ever in my videos. I'm always by myself. What you see is what you get. A lot of folks have people in their videos to split the force to make their videos better, improve them. I'm like, all it takes is just one person to make a splendid, dandy video, for fuck's sake. And that's just me doing what I do. Like it or lump it. Fuck the haters. Last time I enjoyed my drink was July 8th, I think, July 9th, at a bar. On Friday night, karaoke. I posted those videos on my video channel, singing karaoke. I had a Jack and Coke. I kept drinking 707s. I gotta sneeze. My shoulder. Oh, fuck. I missed. Fuck. Shooting, goddammit. I got this. Got this from my mom's pet. She got a pet cat. Himalayan. He's like 5 years old. She named it Vinny after my cousin Vinny the movie, because my mom's Italian. Trout flavor. First time in my life. I ever seen trout treats. Bells will be ringing. Let's see if I can make this. Kinda. Yeah. Fuck. God damn it. Am I allergic to alcohol? Another miss. Got my BB guns. I love BB guns. Pistachios. What do you know about pistachios? Fuck. For fuck's sake. Look at this. I got my new toothbrush today, Oral-B. Nice fucking toothbrush. You know, I got a Sonicare. I got 2 electronic toothbrushes. That's just for Natty Daddy. Comes fresh with a knife. Pocket knife. Always carry a pocket knife. I got a smaller blade. Come in 3 packs. I was gonna go Taco Bell today. Man, the line was so long. I'm like, around 6 o'clock. I'm like, fuck that. I'm like, about done with that shit. Stab the dog in the face. How do you like it now? Stab the dog in the face. Fuck. You know, actually, as much as I complain about being single and never being like a virgin, hold on.